Hello, this is Adrienne with Chalises Heavenly Inspired, and I have an exciting new product that I want to introduce to you and tell you a little bit about. Now, it's mainly for ladies healing. It's for ladies' vaginal region. It's called Yoni Steamers, Yoni Steaming. So that's for vulva health, right? It does a lot of things for females, to help them relax their lower region, to help them with tension when they have periods, or to relax them, to get them in a mood for sex, to remove pain, for healing of all sorts of things. So inside these packages of Yoni Steamers, you will find herbs like lavender, motherwort, mugwort, partridge herb, calendula. You'll find all sorts of herbs in there to work on the female's reproductive system. One of the best things that I like about talking about the female system is, as women get older, their body changes and things don't always work the same as you like them to. And I'm talking about the moist factor. This really helps to restore and rejuvenate that region to make sex more pleasurable and more juicy. So if you've never heard about Yoni Steamers, or if you've never heard it explained quite that way, take it from someone who has actually tried these Yoni Steamers. These actually work. Now you have to put these in a bowl, something called a tub, a Yoni Steamer tub, but you can make one. They do cost quite a bit, some of them do, but I have found a way to do it less expensive. So you would take this bowl, put it inside your toilet, put hot water in it and your Yoni Steam herbs, and you let it steep for a while. And then you would sit on that stool, that steamer pot, that tub, with a towel or a tent is what a lot of spas call it. It's like a dress that covers that whole seat, the whole body. You cover your feet, and then you sit there and allow the steam to infiltrate your yoni region. About 30 minutes of time is all it takes, but you can relax, meditate, pray to the spirits above, just connect with yourself, with your body, and let that steamer work for you. So this is what's new and exciting for me. I'm sharing it with you. Hopefully you'll try it and get the benefits that it's purposed for. Adrienne, Chalises Heavenly Inspired.